Welcome to this new lecture of Natural Language Processing with Python. In this lecture, we will learn cleaning text data with regular expression and with the help of textblob library. First, we see what is cleaning text. The text data that we are going to discuss here is unstructured text data, which consists of written sentences only. Most of the time, this data cannot be used as it is for analysis because it contains some noisy elements. That is, elements that don't really contribute much to the meaning of the sentence at all. These noisy elements need to be removed because they don't contribute to the meaning and semantic of the text. If they are not removed, they can't only waste system memory and processing time, but also negative, but also negatively impact the accuracy of the results. Data cleaning is the art of extracting meaningful portion from data by eliminating unnecessary details. Consider the sentence. He tweeted, for example, live coverage of journal election available at this .tv slash show slash g 2009 dots dash underscore slash forward slash backward slash and please tune in and some special characters followed by some special characters. In this example, to perform NLP tasks on the sentences, we will need to remove the emojis, punctuations, and stop words and then change the words into their base grammatically form. To achieve this, to achieve above task, we use methods such as stop removal, tokenization, and stemming. Before we do see, let's acquainted with some basic NLP libraries that will be using or help and that will be using and or help us to do to do to do these tasks. Okay, first we see RE. RE means regular expression. RE is a standard Python library that is used for string searching and string manipulation. It contains methods such as match, search from a string, find all, split the string, and substitute. Subfunction means substitute, which are used for basic string matching, searching, replacing, and more using regular expression. What is a regular expression? Now we see the definition of a regular expression. A regular expression is nothing but a set of characters in a specific order that represents a pattern. This pattern is searched for in the text blob. This is an open source Python library that provides different methods for performing various NLP tasks such as tokenization and POS tagging. POS means part of speech tagging. It is similar to NLTK. It is built on the top of NLTK and is much simpler as it has an easier to use interface and excellent documentation. In projects that don't involve a lot of complexity, it should be preferable to NLTK library. The third library is Keras. This is an open source, a much popular high-level neural network library that was developed on top of another neural network library called TensorFlow, which is developed by Google. In addition to neural network functionality, it also provides methods for basic text processing and NLP tasks. First, tokenization. You already know some little bit about the tokenization in the previous lectures, but now we also see the tokenization in this lecture. Tokenization is the process of splitting sentences into their constituents, that is, words or punctuation. Let's perform a simple exercise to see how this can be done using various packages. exercise. We will do an exercise to understand the concept of cleaning text and tokenization. Text cleaning and tokenization. In this exercise, we clean some text and extract the tokens from it. Follow these steps to complete this exercise. First, we open a Jupyter or Colab file and then import our required packages. We import RE. RE means regular expression library. Create a method called clean user-defined method, clean underscore text, that will delete all characters other than digits, alphabetical characters, and white spaces from the text and split the text into tokens. For this, we will use the text which matches with all non-alphanumeric characters, and we will replace all of them with an empty string. Actually, this is the regular expression which delete all characters other than digits, alphabetic characters, and white spaces from the text, and then split the text into two. This is the regular expression which is written in Python. We use re package regular expression dot and call its built-in function substitute means sub. R is the R tells the interpreter or represent that the substitute method applying on a string. Then scare brackets. This cap sign. This cap sign uh, tells the regular expression or means that the starting of a string or text. Slash s means space and slash w mean uh, characters from a to z and digits from 0 to 9. This is pipe sign, it is represent the or operator, and this is underscore and then plus. This is actually you can see that small w returns a match where the string contains any word characters and the underscore character. Okay, and this s returns a match where the string contains a white space character. So run this. Now we clean this sentence by using this user defined function clean underscore text. Okay, this is our sentence which we want to clean, and then we call our function clean underscore text and pass our the text or sentence. Okay, these are the tokens which we extracted from this text, but without any. But tokens are depends only on alphabetics characters and digit characters from 0 to 9. So it is our first exercise to clean the text. Next, we see how to extract tokens or engrams. Often extracting each separately, often extracting each token separately does not help. For instance, consider the sentence I don't hate you but your behavior. And it's mean I don't hate you but your behavior. Here if we pass each of the tokens such as hate and behavior separately, then the true meaning of the sentence would not be comprehended or understood. In this case, the context in which these tokens are present become essential. Thus, we consider n consecutive tokens at a time. N-grams refers to the grouping of n consecutive tokens together. Now will do another exercise to understand the concept of extracting n-grams. In this exercise, we will extract n-gram using the three different methods. First, we will use custom defined function, and then the NLTK, and then textblob libraries. First, first we use a custom defined functions to extract n-grams. N-grams mean more than one tokens. Extract more than one tokens at a time. Okay, this is our sentence, and tells us how many words a token consists of how many words. Okay, token. This is our regular expression, which is the same regular expression as we use on the or at the above cell, and pass the sentence and then split according to this space. For I in range, number of tokens minus number of words on number of words which which include in a which are included in a token, and plus one, print tokens I from start to number of tokens number of tokens length. I plus n means number of token length. Okay. Okay. N-gram, we call this function user-defined function n gram underscore extracted, and then we pass a sentence. The cute little boy is playing with the kitchen, and then uh, we we give parameter 2. It means uh, we we will extract the tokens which consist of two words at a time. This is our list, and every token is in each list of token consists of two words. The quote cute, so cute little boy. And if we have a token consists of three words, then we simply enter the second argument is 3. These are the tokens which are consist of three words. Next, to check the bigrams using the NLTK library at the following code. We simply import ngrams package or class from NLTK library, and ngram functions, and when we enter the we give, we give the this sentence to ngram and split, and 2 is also meaning the is 2 is also means as we want to extract the token which consists of two words, and this is a list. It means the tokens we return this token returns this function in the form of. Okay, you can clearly see these are the tokens which consist of two words. To check trigrams using the NLTK library, we run this cell and we can see the token. Now the token consists of three words. Similarly, we use textblob library for tokenization. So run the cell. Okay, textblob function, import the textblob function from textblob library, which is built on the top of NLTK library. Okay, this is a word list. Which consists of tokens which consists of tokens on two words. Similarly, we use a trigram token. Trigram token means a token consists of three words. This is our whole concept of text cleaning with regular expression and text blob library. So see you in the next lecture with of natural language processing with Python.